Welcome to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll guide you through the product searching function. To begin, click the Find Products menu on the left to access this page. The Find Products page has thousands of products fulfilled by FashionGo and our trusted vendors. From here, you have the option to compare product costs and shipping information to help make your decision. Once you've decided which item you would like to import to your Shopify store, hover over the product and add it to your import list with a click of a single button. If you find multiple items that you desire, you can select all of them at once and add them to your import list. With FashionGo Dropshipping's extensive and ever-growing product range, you can use the filters at the top of the page to easily narrow down items you want to find. You can also use keywords or favorite vendors at any time using the search bar in the header. To refine your search, there's an advanced filter box that will show you items based on price, vendor, processing time, features, and much more. Once you've completed your search and narrowed down the items you would like to import, you can hover over the item and click Quick View to view the item details and information. You can also access all the information about the product from the product details page. Here you will find information about the item, such as colors, sizes, materials, where it was manufactured, and more. This is also where you would be able to access the vendor's return policy. You can always communicate with the vendor at any time using the platform's chat function if you have any more questions. From the product details page, you can either add the item to your import list or order samples to see the product yourself. And don't forget, all FashionGo dropshipping vendors ship from within the United States, guaranteeing faster delivery times for your customers. To learn more about other features of FashionGo dropshipping or to begin integrating your Shopify account, go to ds.fashiongo.net and get started today.